What's up, guys? You guys are welcome to 𝗠𝗲𝗶𝗶 channel once again. You are welcome to our very series on Amazon KDP. So in this series, we are going to talk about what Amazon KDP is, how you can make use of Amazon KDP, how you can earn money from Amazon KDP, and also how you can upload your books on Amazon KDP. When I talk about book, you must not be a professional book writer before you can publish on Amazon KDP. Even though you don't know how to write, even though you don't know how to get a topic to write, I'm going to show you guys step by step on where to get topics and also how to get people that will write for you. I'm also going to show you guys how you can paraphrase some free ebooks, paraphrase it to your own taste, and do what, and publish it on Amazon KDP. All right, this will be a series. Okay, it will cover up to more than 5 videos or so. So I'm going to make this a series so that you can understand this step-by-step guide on how all the things have been worked. Okay, this is an intro. So now we have to go into what is Amazon KDP and how can we start making use of Amazon KDP. But before we go into that, if you're new to this YouTube channel, you haven't subscribed yet, please, I would like you guys to click on the subscribe button and make sure you toggle on the bell icon to receive notification each time I drop a video, just like the one you're watching right now. So let's go into what Amazon KDP is. Now, when we talk about Amazon KDP, we are talking about Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. The publishing itself has already explained generally what it is, which is what it's all about: book. All right, when we talk about book, it must not be a professional book, just like what I said earlier. It can be a pamphlet of a book, or it can be just a step guide or a user guide of something. Okay, it must not be a professional writing. Okay, and if you are not good into writing, you're not good in writing, you're not good in topic selection, you don't even need to bother about that. So Amazon KDP is just a platform owned by Amazon where you can publish your books, where you can publish your user guide PDF, where you can publish any creative things you think you need people to read about. You can publish it there for people to buy and read. Okay, so at the end of it, you'll be able to get a step-by-step guide on how you can go about all this. So when we talk about Amazon KDP, you can just access Amazon KDP once you go to kdp.amazon.com. So once you are there, this is how it looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like. As you can see here, they say self-published ebook and paperback for free with Kindle Direct Publishing and reach millions of readers on Amazon. So whatsoever you publish here will be seen on Amazon.com. Right, anything you publish over here, you can also see it on Amazon.com. This is where people come to buy and read books and also buy other related things. So now, after you have published from here, all the things will be here. Okay, so now how can we start? From here, you can see what they wrote here. They say get to the market fast, which is publishing takes just 5 minutes. You make more money once you earn up to 70% royalty on the sales of customer, whereby they can take 30%, whereby you take 70%. Okay, so all those things, we are going to show you guys how you can do this. But first of all, how can I get started? Before you get started with this, you must have an Amazon account. Okay, you must have an Amazon account. It's either you go to kdp.amazon.com to create an account, or you go to amazon.com to create an account. So right now, I'll be showing you how you can create an account. So if you visit this URL, which is kdp.amazon.com, the next thing you have to do is to click on this sign up over here. So once you click on this sign up over here, the next page that will display will show you how you can start registration. So if you watch here, what you have to do is put your email or your phone number. So once you have done that, the next thing you have to do is to put in your password and click on sign in if you have already have an account. But if you don't have an account, click here to say create your KDP account. Okay, create your KDP account. You can see here also they are trying to tell you that if you are new to KDP, you can use an Amazon login to register. Just sign in with your existing Amazon login or create a new account. Anyone is okay. So I'm just going to show you guys, just in case you don't have an Amazon KDP account, I'm going to show you guys how you can do that over here. Okay, so to create an account on this platform and also how to sign in and start publishing, I will make a video on that. In my next video, you'll be seeing how you can do this. Okay, so guys, I hope this video is very helpful, and I hope to see you guys in my next video on how you can create an account, log in, and start publishing your PDF files or your books, okay, so that you can make money from it. So if this video is helpful, please hit the thumbnail, and if you think you have if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel earlier, please, I would like you guys to click on the subscribe button and make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you have any question you want to ask, feel free to use the comment section and I will be there to answer you. Okay, so see you guys in my next video on how you can create a KDP account or an Amazon account to start publishing your ebooks. Thank you.